Ever found yourself staring at a powerful business tool, wondering what magical incantations lie beneath its sleek interface? I'm talking about a tool that runs everything from finance to inventory, a powerhouse of enterprise resource planning. And you, like many others, might be asking, what language does NetSuite actually speak? Is it some ancient, arcane code only understood by tech wizards? Or something surprisingly familiar, like a language you might have dabbled in during a late-night coding session? Stick around, because we're diving deep into the heart of NetSuite's technical architecture. We're going to peel back the layers and uncover the languages that make this business behemoth tick. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand why this matters. Why should you care what language NetSuite uses? Well, for one, if you're a developer, understanding the underlying language opens up a world of customization possibilities. You can tailor NetSuite to your specific business needs, automate processes, and build integrations that streamline your workflow. But even if you're not a developer, knowing the language gives you a deeper appreciation for the platform's capabilities. It helps you understand the logic behind its features and makes you a more informed user. Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't just pick any random materials, right? You'd choose materials that are strong, reliable, and fit your specific needs. The same goes for software. NetSuite, being a comprehensive cloud ERP, requires a robust and versatile foundation. So let's get to the core of the question. What language does NetSuite primarily use? The answer isn't a single language, but rather a combination. And the star of the show is SuiteScript, NetSuite's own JavaScript-based API. Yes, you heard that right. JavaScript. That ubiquitous language that powers much of the modern web. But SuiteScript isn't just plain old JavaScript. It's a specialized version designed specifically for the NetSuite environment. Think of it as a dialect, tailored to interact with NetSuite's data and functionality. SuiteScript allows developers to create custom logic, automate processes, and extend NetSuite's capabilities far beyond its out-of-the-box features. Now, why JavaScript? Well, JavaScript is incredibly versatile and widely adopted. It's a language that many developers are already familiar with, making it easier to build and maintain NetSuite customizations. SuiteScript comes in 3 flavors. Client SuiteScript. This runs in the user's web browser, allowing you to manipulate the user interface, validate data, and create interactive experiences. Think of it as the front-end magician, making things happen right before your eyes. Server SuiteScript. This runs on NetSuite servers, allowing you to perform complex business logic, manipulate data, and integrate with external systems. This is the back-end powerhouse, handling the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Scheduled SuiteScript. This allows you to schedule scripts to run automatically at specific intervals, automating tasks and processes. Think of it as the tireless worker, taking care of repetitive tasks without you lifting a finger. But SuiteScript isn't the only language in NetSuite's arsenal. NetSuite also leverages other web technologies, including HTML, hypertext markup language. This is used to define the structure and content of web pages within NetSuite. It's the skeleton that gives the user interface its form. CSS, cascading style sheets. This is used to style and format the appearance of web pages within NetSuite. It's the stylus that makes the interface visually appealing. SQL, structured query language. This is used to interact with NetSuite's database, allowing you to retrieve, manipulate, and analyze data. Think of it as the librarian, efficiently organizing and accessing information. So we have JavaScript in the form of SuiteScript, and the standard web foundation of HTML, CSS, and SQL. You may also hear about SuiteTalk, NetSuite's web services integration platform. SuiteTalk uses SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, and REST, Representational State Transfer APIs, which allow external applications to communicate with NetSuite. While not a programming language in itself, SuiteTalk enables integration with other systems using languages like Java, Python, or C#. Let's put this into context. Imagine you're building a custom sales order form in NetSuite. You'd use HTML to define the structure of the form, adding fields for customer information, items, and quantities. You'd use CSS to style the form, making it visually appealing and easy to use. You'd use Client SuiteScript to add interactive elements, such as field validations and dynamic calculations. You'd use Server SuiteScript to handle the business logic, such as calculating discounts and updating inventory. You might use SQL to retrieve customer data from the database to pre-populate form fields. And if you wanted to integrate this with an external CRM, SuiteTalk would be your bridge. That's the power of NetSuite. It's not just a collection of features. It's a platform that allows you to build custom solutions tailored to your specific needs. Now, you might be wondering, what about the learning curve? Is it difficult to learn SuiteScript? Well, if you're already familiar with JavaScript, you'll have a head start. The concepts are the same, but you'll need to learn the specific APIs and how they interact with the NetSuite environment. NetSuite provides extensive documentation and training resources to help developers get started. There's also a vibrant community of NetSuite developers who share knowledge and support each other. If you are a business owner, knowing the languages NetSuite uses allows you to have better conversations with your developers. It enables you to understand the technical implications of your customization requests and make informed decisions. It also helps you assess the skills of potential NetSuite developers. If you're looking to hire someone to customize your NetSuite environment, you want to make sure they have a solid understanding of SuiteScript and the other relevant technologies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.